Tired of cluttered counters and tools that barely get used? Get ready to discover some super useful new kitchen gadgets available on Amazon that actually make cooking easier and more fun. From smart prep helpers to space-saving essentials, these picks are designed to simplify your daily routine without the hassle. You'll find all the links in the description below. Keep your knives within reach and your countertop tidy. This double-sided magnetic knife block holds over 14 knives securely with hidden, super strong magnets. Made from natural acacia wood, it's durable, elegant, and gentle on blades to keep edges sharp. An included whetstone helps you maintain perfect cutting tools, while the non-slip base adds extra stability. Stylish and functional, it's perfect for any kitchen and makes a great gift for cooking enthusiasts. Cook like a pro without the hassle. This smart Combi Fryer delivers perfectly cooked steaks, salmon, chicken, and more with just the press of a button. It uses a precise cook probe, water atomizer, and super convection heating to balance doneness, browning, and juiciness. 3 versatile modes let you follow presets, speed through quick meals, or take full control like a chef. The clear basket and 4.3-inch display make monitoring easy, and dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup. With app-guided recipes and notifications, you'll never miss a perfectly cooked meal. Make tough cleaning feel effortless. This miracle scrubber kit comes with 4 unique brush heads designed for every job, from grout and shower heads to ovens and delicate glass. The non-abrasive brushes tackle grime without scratching surfaces, and the powerful design helps you clean faster with less effort. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and appliances. It gets into corners and tight spots with ease. Say goodbye to scrubbing by hand and hello to sparkling surfaces. Start your mornings with a smile. This mini donut maker bakes 6 bundt-style donuts in fun shapes, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or desserts. The dual non-stick plates cook evenly and make cleanup a breeze. Just plug in, wait for the indicator light, and get ready for delicious donuts every time. Use the included brush and scraper to remove them easily. Sweet, fun, and perfect for sharing with family or friends. Turn any meal into a fun indoor BBQ. This table grill heats up fast with 1,500 watts, letting you cook meats, veggies, seafood, and melt cheese in minutes. The reversible plate gives you a grooved side for grilling and a flat side for pancakes or crepes, perfect for versatile cooking. 8 individual cheese melt pans make raclette parties easy, while the non-stick surfaces keep cleanup simple. Adjustable temperature puts you in full control of every delicious dish. Take your smoothies anywhere. This portable blender lets you whip up silky drinks right in the cup with advanced blade technology. The XL blending cup holds plenty, and the motor base detaches to make it lighter on the go. A leak-proof lid and flexible handle make sipping easy, while the removable, dishwasher-safe blade keeps cleanup simple. Whether it's smoothies, shakes, or protein drinks, you can blend fresh wherever you are. Stop worrying about spoiled food. This compact vacuum sealer keeps your meals fresh up to 5 times longer than regular storage. Just press a button and it seals a bag in seconds, then shuts off automatically. The bundle includes reusable BPA-free bags and glass containers, perfect for liquids or delicate foods. Dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. Everything stays convenient and mess-free. Save money, reduce waste, and enjoy fresh flavors every time. Turn breakfast into a delicious adventure. This stuffed waffle maker lets you fill Belgian waffles with chocolate, fruit, cheese, or even savory meats. The rotating design flips 180 degrees to cook evenly, giving crispy outsides and soft, fluffy centers. Built-in tongs make lifting and serving simple, while the non-stick grid keeps waffles intact. Compact and easy to store. It even comes with recipes for sweet, savory, and low-carb creations your whole family will love. Say goodbye to tap water worries. This water dispenser holds 27 cups and filters out 99% of lead, along with other impurities like chlorine, mercury, and asbestos. The BPA-free reservoir keeps water safe and fresh, while the included filter ensures every sip tastes clean. It's easy to use and makes staying hydrated simple. Plus, using it helps cut down on single-use plastic bottles. Good for you and the planet. Craving homemade ice cream without the wait? This automatic ice cream maker lets you whip up 1.28 quarts of gelato, sorbet, or ice cream in no time. No pre-freezing needed. The built-in compressor chills your mixture instantly. Use the LCD panel to set time and watch your creation come to life. The BPA-free churn blade keeps it safe, while compact design fits neatly in your kitchen. Customize with fruit, nuts, or syrup for your perfect treat. Tired of juggling pots and pans? This rapid cooker and air fryer does it all in one. You can steam, bake, roast, sear, saute, slow cook, and even sous vide, all from a single pot. Make a full meal for 4 in just 15 minutes with the Speedy Meals function. Air frying gives crispy results with up to 75% less fat, while the dishwasher safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Switch modes easily and let your fridge inspire endless tasty creations. Upgrade your cocktails with a touch of perfection. This ice press kit turns ordinary cubes into flawless 2.3-inch spheres in under a minute. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it compresses ice for slow-melting, crystal-clear results that keep your drinks chilled without watering them down. The kit comes with glasses, tongs, coasters, a mat, and trays. Everything you need for a bar-ready setup. Elegant, durable, and fun. It's perfect for impressing guests or enjoying a refined drink at home. Turn your kitchen into a snack factory. This food dehydrator dries fruits, veggies, herbs, and even meat jerky with just a twist of a knob. You control the temperature from low for delicate apple slices to high for savory jerky, keeping all the nutrients intact. 5 BPA-free trays stack neatly and rotate for even drying, giving you plenty of space. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe trays and a stainless steel panel. Plus, a recipe book sparks fun ideas for healthy homemade treats. Carving meat just got effortless. This electric knife slices through roasts, turkey, and bread evenly with its serrated stainless steel blades and powerful motor. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, letting you cut with precision and little effort. It comes with a carving fork and a compact storage case to keep everything together. The 5-foot cord gives you plenty of reach, so whether it's a big feast or a DIY project, you're ready. Cooking just got a double boost. This portable induction cooktop has 2 burners plus a removable griddle, so you can grill, fry, or simmer all at once. Each zone has its own touch controls and 9 power levels, letting you cook pancakes, steak, eggs, or pasta perfectly. The non-stick griddle heats evenly and wipes clean in seconds. Compact, versatile, and fast, it turns any countertop into a full kitchen. Say goodbye to digging through crowded cabinets. This pull-down spice rack brings all your bottles to eye level, so you can grab the one you need instantly. 3 adjustable dividers fit any size bottle, from tiny jars to tall containers, keeping everything neat and upright. With over 100 labels, you can organize by type, flavor, or alphabetically for super fast access while cooking. Setup is effortless. Just load your spices and start cooking smarter. Sticky honey bottles are officially retired. This no-drip dispenser gives you a smooth, controlled drizzle every time you press the handle. The bottom spout seals shut when you set it back on the base, so your counter stays clean. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it handles heat well and works just as beautifully for syrup in your coffee or pancakes. Easy to refill, easy to clean, and always ready to sweeten your day. Movie night starts with that irresistible popping sound. This hot air popcorn maker blasts kernels with heated air, so you get fluffy popcorn without oil or greasy bags. It pops quickly and helps reduce unpopped kernels, giving you a big bowl in minutes. The measuring cup makes portioning simple and doubles as a butter-melting tray right on top. Compact and easy to use, it's a fun way for you to bring theater-style snacks home. Tea and coffee deserve better than guesswork. This smart kettle heats water to the exact temperature your drink needs, so flavors come out smooth instead of bitter. With one-touch settings for different teas and French press, you get perfect results without memorizing numbers. The Keep Warm button holds your water at the ideal heat, so you're never rushing. A soft opening lid releases steam gently, and the cordless base lets you pour anywhere with ease. Turn your grill into a backyard pizzeria. This grill-top pizza oven sits right over your heat source and traps high temperatures to give you bubbly cheese and a crispy crust. The ceramic stone spreads heat evenly and absorbs extra moisture, so your pizza cooks through without getting soggy. It works with gas, charcoal, or pellet grills and needs no complicated setup. Just place it on, slide your pizza in with the peel, and enjoy restaurant-style slices at home. This isn't just a coffee maker, it's your personal barista. It grinds whole beans, weighs them with a built-in scale, and brews with precision so you get a balanced cup every time. You can choose full autopilot for effortless mornings, or take control and tweak every detail yourself. The simple knobs and LED display guide you step by step, so nothing feels complicated. Want to experiment? Use the app to create, save, and share your perfect brew. Cracking eggs shouldn't feel like a messy gamble. This automatic egg opener gives you a clean break in seconds without shell bits falling into your bowl. Just place the egg in the holder, press down, and the sharp stainless steel edge slices it open smoothly. The smart lever design saves you effort and keeps your hands clean. It even works for quail eggs, boiled eggs, or baking prep. Simple, quick, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Dinner just got a serious upgrade. This glass air fryer lets you watch your food crisp up from every angle, while powerful hot air swirls at 400 degrees for fast, even cooking. You can air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, or even dehydrate with simple one-touch presets. The rotisserie and tumbling basket handle chicken, fries, and veggies hands-free. And when you're done, just add soap and water, press a button, and it cleans itself. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.